What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mark and his princess Maya. You already know I got Maya with me. She is trying to do these videos with me every time she's here, so she's gonna be in the videos from now on every time she's with me, so you'll see her more. But you've seen the title. We got a week 10 Supreme unboxing. We got 2 items. We doubled up on both of these items. I got an order, and so did my wife Haley. So, you know, Haley grabbed some stuff too. Her order will be coming in tomorrow, but I got my order, so me and Maya are gonna do this unboxing for you guys right here. Like I said, 2 items. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a hype beast unboxing. All these reviews we got coming, you know, super fire content. So please smash a like and subscribe. So let's jump straight into it. So like I said, guys, we have a week 10 unboxing from Supreme. I'm not gonna hold you guys up too long. We're just gonna unbox this one right here on camera for you guys. As always, we got 2 items, 2 really nice items. We did end up getting something from the Supreme Tnf, the North Face collab. And the first item we have here, first off, we got the 2 traditional box logo stickers. So I'm going to be teaching Maya what these things are. So you see what that says? Supreme. It's Supreme. These are called box logo stickers. Supreme box logo stickers. Because pretty soon she might be doing the unboxings and talking to you guys. But anyways, we got the 2 stickers. Yep. We got the Supreme. We got the wool camp cap, I believe. That is right. The wool camp cap. I'm actually keeping this one for myself. This is going to be a personal hat. I'm going to be keeping this one. I really, really like it. All black with the Supreme box logo. Supreme in white. Super nice hat. And the back of it, you got the leather straps right there. You know what I mean? With the Supreme branding right there. So I could just style this one backwards. Super fresh. Clean, just like that. You like the material? It feels fluffy. Yeah. See, first take, even Maya said it. She said it feels fluffy. It feels really good. It feels like a rug, like a blanket. But anyways, yeah, this hat here is for myself. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like on the head. Really clean hat. I love black. I need a black Supreme hat. I need a black hat in general. I sold and got rid of a lot of my fitted caps I used to wear, baseball caps. Now I'm into like the strap caps. The, you know, the snapbacks with the straps. I'm really into these hats, the dad hat. So anyways, this is the wool camp cap in black. Super really nice. I think this retailed for about $50 something if I'm not mistaken. So that is item number 1, guys. I'm gonna throw that to the side. And the second item here is the Supreme Tnf Shoulder Bag. So story behind this, me and Haley both got the same bag, same color. We were gonna keep it so we can match, but we did not like it, guys. So the reason why I'm going to tell you we didn't like it is, one, this here, the material, yeah, it feels cool. It's like silky, waterproof. It's like a windbreaker jacket. That's the material. But that's not the reason why we kind of turned it off. As you can see here, it does not have a zipper to close it. It just has this little clip here, right there, and that's it. Everything else is exposed, so things could fall out. If it rains, things inside can get wet. We really do not like that, guys. We don't like it at all. I'm really upset because I really wanted this bag for myself. As you can see, I already kind of adjusted it when I first got it. Here's what it looks like right here. Just like that. Really, really nice. As you can see, you can throw it off to the side. You know what I mean? You can wear it forward right in front of you. You can wear it, you know, towards the back. You can wear it however you guys like. But I'm not going to be keeping it. This one here is for sale. As you can see, it's really, really nice. You got that S right there in white. Really, really nice. All red. You got the North Face branding on the bottom corner with the Supreme box logo in black and white. So this was a really, really nice bag. I don't remember retail. I don't know if it was 44, 50. I'm not sure on the retails, guys. I'm really not. I'll post it right here on the, you know, on the comments or whatever. But that's pretty much it. It was 2 items, 2 really nice items. This is going to be for sale. I was going to keep it, but I do not like how they made this bag at all. I'm not a big fan of the material. I'm not a big fan of them not making a zipper to close the big compartment of the bag. It's only just one button, which I really don't like. But anyways, it is what it is. We got this item. It's up for sale. So if you guys are interested, check out the link down below. Check out my eBay store. You know we're growing. We are growing and grinding. But that's pretty much it. You got the Supreme, TNF, the North Face shoulder bag right there. You got the wool camp cap right here. This one is for the collection. I am going to put this in my collection right here because I love it. It feels nice and it looks nice. But that's going to end it for this video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Mercado Nation.